Hawaii Fido service dogs. Trudy and Susan brought chicken wings for these guys to play with. A few are still in the corner.
Look!
Mine away.
Exactly. You know, it's like this. Hey! Oh, look! Oh, what's that? Well, you gotta go. You just went right over it, sweetheart.
The other one's taken?
Yep.
The other one, they have something we don't.
Oh, look. Here.
Everything.
Oh, boy. There you go. There's more, sweetheart. Look, there's one. I got plenty. But you'd all rather eat off the same one, huh?
Oh, look at the little girl. She's not good.
That little girl's our biggest eater.
Oh, she ran right over to it. There you go. Here's another one, sweetheart. Look. Here,
She
here,
did
big boy.
in the food. She first one in and last one out. Can you tell who's growling?
No.
The little female.
I'm not sure. It was a noise from down here. There's a lot of puppies.
You want more out of here?
No, I think that'll be it. Thank you. Actually, if you've been, you know, you can put those in the fridge or whatever. I'm going to wash my hands over here. That's
You want to wipe them first, or you?
No, I'll just go right to the soap and water. Thank you.
And it doesn't.
Red collar is growling. Or his motor's going, one of the two.
Sure, because I think that there's another one over there that nobody's eating, so there is more. We can always grab more, but you know what? I don't. Dale, wait. Maybe I'll take one more so that they don't have to. I can't even tell where it's coming from.
It's coming from someone's places.
Yeah.
Heck, when they're done, we'll just boil them up.
Pardon me?
They gave them to the dog.
What?
When they're done with these, instead of just throwing them away, we'll just boil them up.
Oh, no, you can't give them cooked ones. That's what.